A nearby cosmic ticking time bomb has just been discovered, ready to explode in 23 billion years. This extraordinary binary system, located only 150 light-years away, features two white dwarf stars. These stars are spiraling toward a remarkable cataclysm known as a Type 1a supernova. When the explosion occurs, it could shine 10 times brighter than the full moon. This groundbreaking discovery by astronomers at the University of Warwick confirms long-held theories about supernova origins. Through meticulous investigation, researchers tracked down the first confirmed double white dwarf binary nearby. With a staggering mass exceeding 1.5 times that of the Sun, these stars are destined for destruction. James Munday, the lead researcher, expressed excitement at this significant find on our galactic doorstep. As gravitational waves cause their orbits to tighten, these stars will approach a breathtaking finale. Get ready for a brilliant explosion that will illuminate the night sky for eons to come. Space is full of surprises, some cosmic, some explosive. Don't blink. Stay curious. Follow @lightleaplabs, where curiosity ignites innovation.